Alright, so we're gonna test if this actually works. We're going to follow this tutorial. We just installed Python, which is what he just went through, and see, if this will actually work. Should be interesting.
I'm going to hit an exit to leave this.
Okay, so we have to open command prompts. And type Python. It works. So exit. Shift. Okay. We have to download another program. Git.
Is the page for Git. Git is this thing that lets us retrieve code from these things called repositories. So I'm going to download the 64-bit version. It's 2020. We probably will have 64-bit computers.
I hope so.
Fine. I'll just go through the installation. I think it's fine if I just do it multiple times. So once again, I'm probably going to click on the defaults. Yeah, defaults. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, well, that's good. Okay, now we're going to install it. Okay, cool. All these releases, let's do shit about those. Next thing we're going to do is...
Alright, so we got this installed. Let's type git. Oh. That didn't work. Okay, there we go.
Copy and paste commands in a command prompt is you have to right click. So I have my mouse here, and I'm going to right click to get the first command on the page. So install this. That was really quick. That kind of retrieves the file that we're going to use to download this package installer called pip. Next thing.
I'm jumping ahead because it's in the comments.
Thing is a folder. In this case, I'm calling it TikTok demo. And I'm going to click to the right of this to copy the path. And then in that command line, I'm going to say cd space and then paste the thing we just got to copy the path. And then in that command line, I'm going to say cd space and then paste the thing we just copied, the path, by right-clicking. And now in that path, per se, the command line is in that path. And now we're going to run the command to copy all the code over. So, alright, the 5th or 6th command, whatever, I'm going to copy that in. So this is going to clone my repository that I set up for you guys.
Trusting people on the internet. It's a wonderful thing.
Now we go.
He's got a nice camera, so I trust him.
Shrek.py and script for Python files. And then you should be good to run the script. And then make a little bit Python space Shrek.py. Ready? And then you hit enter. So it's kind of running here. And boom. We start cyberterrorism. Body wants. Okay, I'm not going to even sing that. And then to cancel it,
Holy crap.
is real